Student, today we are going to learn 3D modeling with advanced draw command and modify command. One type of revision lecture is this. This is, you can see in this figure, I have taken a block, rectangular block, and another small rectangular block. Using these small blocks, I have tried to design different shapes. Here I make a slot, and here again make a slot. But here you can see I adjust this rectangular block and union this to get a projection. Here you can see I use a cylinder, and above that small cylinder I have inserted, and for making a key slot, key type hole or key type way, I have used a rectangle and subtract it from the big cylinder. So I have get here a pulley shaft, you may say pulley shaft or shaft with a key. Here again simple cylinder is there, and for giving the refine effect I use here fillet command. You can see here a fillet command, okay, and by that fillet command I refine that edges. Here you can see a table. For table, as we learned earlier, big rectangle and small 4 rectangles used as a leg. But here what I have done, I have used the fillet command, student, okay, fillet, and make that rectangular shaped leg into circular form. So this is drawn model with the help of draw command. Now we will try some job using this copy job, okay. Suppose I copy this rectangle, okay. Now I copy this rectangle, and here I again copy this job to here, okay, at the end of this, okay. Now again I have to remove this or copy this job. Move I will take, suppose, or copy I will take. Copy command is here, select, enter. Now I will copy this and to this corner, okay. Now you can use the subtract command, student. Subtract, you know very well, this is the subtract command, okay. Subtract command, and select the base job, enter, and select the both. So you will have a slot. But if you require a projection or step like structure, so what you have to do, again copy, select the job, enter, attach this part to here, okay, enter, again copy this job, and give the required base, behind base, okay, behind base you selected and click here. So these are two projected parts, but for union that what you have to do, use the union command. So this is your refine job. Now for filleting this or making this round, what you have to do, use the simple fillet command in modify. Modify, you can see here, student, see here you can see the command fillet, and now at command area you have to specify the R for radius, okay, and specify the radius. Suppose I am giving here 12 as a radius, enter, and now enlarge the edge and click and say double enter. So refined edge will be there. See, click double enter, okay, click double enter. Same option I use in this cylinder, okay. So you can make use of fillet, chamfered. Now if you have to use a chamfered, modify command, okay. In modify, suppose you have taken the Now we will work on a cylindrical job. Okay, this is a cylinder and this is your height of cylinder. Okay, now if you take another cylinder, student, another cylinder, and specify the center, click the center. Okay, and here you have to specify the radius. So another circle or another cylinder will be at the center of previous cylinder. So this is your another cylinder. Now you can copy this. Copy, select, enter, give this base point and drag this to the big cylinder bottom center and say escape. So this is your copied cylinder. Okay. Now this job and this job is the same. Okay. Now union this. For making union, what you have to do? Select all job by cross window. Okay. And now for making slot, keyway suppose you have to make. So what you will do? You will take a rectangular shape. Dekho, rectangular shape. Click and drag. Drag, just drag. Now move this rectangular job. Move this rectangular job. Move. Click, select the base point, and here select the quadrant, student, quadrant. Okay, quadrant. So it is merged with the quadrant point. Now what you will do? Subtract, subtract. Select, enter, and give the cross window. So here you can see the slot for key. Now making this corner, suppose you have to make a fully rounded. So what you will do? What you will do? Initially use the fillet command, fillet, and R for radius, enter, and now I am increasing the radius, suppose 15. We will see whether it is fit or not. Click and say double enter. See, radius is fitted there. If you use same fillet here, same fillet here, same fillet here, so it will look like a welding rod. वेल्डिंग का जो मेथड होता है, वेल्डिंग इस रॉड के साथ इस रॉड को जब वेल्डिंग करते हैं तो इट लुक लाइक दिस. ओके, एंड हियर अगेन यू कैन गिव द फिलेट, डबल एंटर. So if you see this job in front view, you can see the finish like this. This is the finishing. This is the effect. This is the effect of, see here, effect of welding, which I have said is fillet like structure. This is the top view. And here you can see isometric view and say parallel. So this is your draw command with the draw command using the different 3D models.